Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to sum rows and columns in Google Sheets. So ultimately adding up any numbers or figures that you're putting into rows and columns onto Google Sheets. Okay, if you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so you want to get yourself into your Google Sheets. So here we are at the moment. So at the moment, I'm going to show you one within a column and how to get the total figure of these numbers here. So you want to go inside the cell and put in the equal sign, start typing the word sum, and it will come up with some options underneath it. Automatically it will notice that you have figures at the top and will try to put them into a formula for you so it's more quick. So you can either manually do this, type in an open bracket and say the cell that you want to start with. So let's say we want to start with B5, and then you want to do a semicolon and also the last cell that you want it to calculate. So then it will encompass all of them. So in this particular example, we're going to do B9. Okay, so we just type in B9 and then do a close bracket and then just press enter. Okay, and then that is going to be the total of all of these figures combined. So you double click into it and you'll be able to see exactly which cells it's calculating. If we look at the same over here, we can do this going across and we just want to total all those figures together. Very simply, it's an equal sign again, do sum, and it automatically picks up that there are figures to the left and will start to put that in a formula for you. This time I'm not going to type it in, I'm just going to press enter. Okay, and then if we double click into it, we can see that it's encompassed all these numbers, and then this is our total here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That is how to sum rows and columns in Google Sheets. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing and we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.